Today's topic is talent acquisition and talent retention. Okay, what is talent acquisition? Acquisition refers to the process of identifying and acquiring skilled workers to meet organizational needs. It means selecting a right candidate for the right job, for the right time, at right place. Okay, now in last 10 years, there is a increase in talent acquisition managers. So if we see any job portals and job notifications, we can see many vacancies of talent acquisition positions. Okay, and 10-15 years back, HR was doing this part of job. Now companies has given special focus for this talent acquisition position. Talent acquisition is a right ongoing strategy to find specialists, leaders, or future executives for a company. Correct? Okay. Now, why it is very important? Talent acquisition is very important because every company is looking for a best talent. Okay. Okay. Now, what happens? Talent acquisition. This talent acquisition managers selecting best talent from the industry with a selecting process like written test, personal interviews, psychological test, personalities test, etc. And people leaving good organizations and joining the companies. So as I told, talent acquisition is an ongoing process. Let us discuss why it is ongoing process. It is ongoing process because there are vacancies to fill. So talent acquisition is the ongoing process. Selection is going on every time people are joining. The main important question is what happens to the people joined? Why the vacancies are coming? Why people are leaving? This is very important point. Now, companies has to concentrate on talent retention also. What? Talent retention. I have not seen anywhere there is a position called talent retention manager, talent retention executive, etc. So let us discuss now why the selected best talent leaving the organizations. One is micromanagement system, too much blood sucking micromanagement, second bad bosses, third is bad company policies, and fourth is very toxic working atmosphere in the organization. Correct? Now, talent retention is very important to keep the talent in the organization. So this is a part of organization responsibility to have a best policies, best working atmosphere, and well trained bosses, and perfect performance management system, etc. So then no need of selecting going for a new talent acquisition, and the talent acquired can be trained, developed, and they will perform for the organization. So what happens if we retain the talent? One is you are saving recruitment cost. Second is high personal turnover, bad name in the industry. Third is there is a special time and focus is going from HR department to select the best talent. Correct? And fourth is long-term employee have loyalty towards the company to work and perform the results. So my suggestion, as the industry become very competitive and people are getting trained through online, offline, and different organizations, it is good to have a talent retention department also to retain the best talent instead of looking for a new talent every time.